Hi, this is Tim again. In this video, we're going to talk about passing chords. They can add a lot of flavor to your chord progressions. I'm going to take the G major scale and play the chord changes, and then I'll show you how to get from the 1 to the 2, from the 2 to the 3, and so on. So the chords will be this. That's the basics. So we'll start on the 1. So I'm going to the 2, but I'm going to use a passing chord, which would be a G13 with an A flat bass. And I can do a little lick on that, like this, which is a diminished, and we land on the 2. Now we're going to the 3, same thing. Now we add an A13 over a B flat bass, diminished again. You can really take time and just really extend these licks way out. I'm just trying to show you the basics here. So we went from the 2 to the 3. Now, what I like to do when I'm going to the 4, I like to go half step above the 4. In this case, will be C sharp, which is a C sharp 7 raised 5 down to the 4. And you can do a whole tone scale over the C sharp, back down to the 4. Now we have the 5, and I'm going to use a diminish. I'm going to use the E flat diminished going to the 6. Diminished, so you can use a diminished scale. To the 6. To the 7. And back to the 1. So once you get the basic concepts of what you can do from with passing chords in your progressions, then you can really just extend the licks out as far as you want to. And a lot of times when you're playing the licks, the band just may be going 1, 2, 3, 4. They're not playing the chords, but you can actually play the scales without the chords being played, and that'll create a beautiful tension in your playing.